Want to start using Poshmark to buy and sell items, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Poshmark. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Poshmark, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Poshmark at the top. Tap Poshmark when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Poshmark. That's all it takes to download Poshmark. For more helpful online shopping tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of online shopping tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.